Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Ferdiansah. I am from Management Class A. Here I will explain the assignment that I have done, namely about pempek cultural food from Palembang to the world. What is pempek? Pempek is typical food of Palembang, South Sumatra, made from finely ground fish dough, usually mackerel or snakehead fish, mixed with starch or sago, flour, and spices such as eggs, garlic, salt, and flavoring. Pempek has a chewy texture and a savory taste. It is usually served with a special sauce, called cuko, which has a sour, sweet, and spicy taste, made from brown sugar, ebi, dried shrimp, chili, garlic, and salt. There are various types of pempek such as pempek kapal selam, containing whole chicken eggs, lenjer, cylinders, adaan small balls, kulit made from fish skin, and tahu mixed with tofu. Pempek is a food that has existed since the 16th century and is the result of the assimilation of Chinese and Malay culture in Palembang. Initially, pempek was made from Belida fish, which has now been replaced by more easily available fish such as snakehead fish or mackerel. Pempek can also be found in other regions in Indonesia and is a famous Indonesian culinary icon. History and cultural influence. Pempek is a Palembang specialty with a rich history and cultural influence. Pempek was first discovered around the 7th century AD during the Srivijaya Kingdom, as evidenced by the discovery of the Talang Tua inscription, which links sago as the basic ingredient. However, pempek as it is known today began to gain popularity around the 16th century during the Palembang Darussalam Sultanate, when cultural acculturation occurred between the native Palembang people and Chinese immigrants. Pempek was originally known as kelesan, a traditional dish served at the Rumah Lima ceremony and was then sold by traveling Chinese vendors. In 1916, the name pempek came from the term used by buyers for Chinese vendors, who were usually called pempe or apek, which is Chinese for uncle. Pempek is the result of a culinary acculturation between Chinese and local Palembang residents, utilizing the abundant fish resources of the Musi River. Today, pempek is not only a Palembang culinary icon but also a vital part of Indonesia culinary heritage, signifying the identity and pride of the Palembang people. Variety of types. The variety of pempek in Palembang is very diverse and popular. Here are some of the most common types. Pempek kapal selam. The most iconic pempek filled with a whole chicken egg wrapped in fish dough. It large and filling. Pempek lenjer. Long and filled with a soft texture, perfect for dipping in cuko sauce. Pempek adaan. Round meatball legs with a mixture of spring onion and fried until crispy on the outside but soft on the inside. Pempek keriting, similar to small noodles ball. crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. Pempek kulit, made from a mixture of fish meat and skin with a strong fish flavor. Ingredients and process. The main ingredients for pempek are ground mackerel, tapioca flour or starch, wheat flour, garlic, egg, salt, sugar, and ice water. The process involves mixing the ground fish with ground garlic, salt, sugar, and ice water, then gradually adding flour until the dough is smooth. The dough is then shaped to your liking, boiled in boiling water until it floats, and once cooked, it can be served immediately or fried. Pempek is usually enjoyed with a choco sauce made from brown sugar, tamarind, garlic, cayenne pepper, and dried shrimp. Pempek variation can include egg, yolk filling, or other ingredients according to the recipe. Characteristic pempek: physical, chemical, and sensory characteristics distinguish it as a Palembang specialty. Pempek is made from finely ground fish, usually mackerel or snakehead, mixed with star or sago flour along with other ingredients such as eggs, ground garlic, flavoring, and salt. Pempek texture is generally chewy and elastic, influenced by the actin and myosin protein in the fish, which form a gel. Color, aroma, flavor, and texture are important sensory characteristics of pempek. The main characteristic of pempek that can be used as control variable in its processing are as content, hardness, cohesiveness, and elasticity. Influence the palatability and quality of the final product. Pempek is usually served with a vinegar sauce cuko, which has a sour, sweet, and spicy flavor as a distinctive complement. Conclusion: Pempek is not just a food but a reflection of the history, culture, and identity of the Palembang people. This this tells a story of cultural acculturation and values that continue to be preserved to this day. My pempek continue to be known and loved by people around the world. That's all my presentation. Thank you for listening until the end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.